In a world where leads go cold and sales go silent, one hero rises to master automation.
Citizens of CRM City, I'm Zack, your host and defender of follow-ups. Today, I summon CRM Commander Brian to the battlefield of knowledge.
At your service, Zack. Ready to zap those manual tasks away.
Excellent. Question 1. Follow-up automation. Brian, the city's losing leads by the second. Tell me, how can we automate follow-ups in Zoho CRM?
With the power of workflow automation, trigger follow-up emails and tasks the moment a lead enters the stage. No more slacking. Just execute.
Just like one of those human-made laser-guided rockets. And don't forget, personalize with merge fields for that superhero touch. Question 2. Best feature for sales teams. What's the ultimate CRM super weapon every sales squad needs, Commander Brian?
Blueprints. A step-by-step mission plan that keeps your reps flying straight. No missed moves.
Boom! Guided path to victory. Excellent. Question 3. Customization for teams. Every hero needs a suit that fits, show off their muscles. So, how can teams tailor CRM to their style?
Custom modules, custom layouts, tailored rules. Make Zoho CRM your own. Build for your team, your way.
Now that's heroic adaptability. Just like a suit that morphs into mission mode. I know a man with a suit like that. But question 4. Reporting and analytics. Brian, the city needs answers. How do we track performance in Zoho CRM?
Dynamic dashboards, of course, and real-time reports. Insights at a glance. Data drives the mission.
Honor, valor, and the glory of CRM. Bonus tip, schedule those reports to auto-send. Never miss a beat. And that's time, Commander Brian. You have defended the CRM realm with honor.
Time, Zack. The leads are safe. For now.
Let's recap the tools in our utility belt. We want a hammer, workflow automation, blueprint guidance, a team-tailored customization, real-time reporting power. This has been BMI's Rapid Fire Quiz, powered by Zoho CRM in the spirit of superheroes.